Greatest common divisor refers to the highest factor or number which can divide two or more sets of numbers without leaving a remainder. So when getting the greatest common divisor, these are the steps that we follow. Write the numbers that you want to find their greatest common divisor as a product of their prime factors. Then you select the factors that appear common among all those numbers that you want to find their greatest common divisor. Then find the product of the common factors. Note that only those factors which appear on all the numbers that you want to find their greatest common divisor are considered when finding the greatest common divisor. And we have two questions here. The first one wants us to get the GCD, that's the greatest common divisor of 84 and 120. Now, we first of all have to get the prime factors of these two numbers. Starting with 84, the prime factors of 84 are 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. And then the next one, 120, has this as the prime factors. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Now for us to get the GCD, you pick those factors which are common among these two numbers. You can see 2 is common here. We have another 2 here and here, so we can also pick that one. These two cannot be picked because we don't have its partner up here. 3 has another 3 down here, so we can also pick it. We cannot pick 7 because there is no 7 down here, and we cannot pick 5 because there's no 5 up there. So that means then these are the numbers that we pick. And therefore we shall say the GCD will be equal to pick one representative for this pair. We have this 2. Pick another 2 as a representative for this pair. We have this one. And pick 1, 3 as a representative for this. We have these 3. Remember, these 2 cannot be picked because it doesn't have a partner up here. We cannot take 5, as I said, because we don't have 5 up here, and we cannot take 7. So when you multiply these 3, you will have this times this, giving us 4 times 3, giving us 12, and that becomes the GCD for this one. The second question wants us to get the GCD for 16, 48, and 120. So we do the same. Let's get the prime factors of 16. These are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then for 48, we shall have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then for 120, of course, we have done it up here, but assuming we didn't have this, we shall have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Then pick those that are common among these 3 numbers that we are looking for their greatest common divisor. We shall pick that 2. We shall also pick these 2. Then we shall also pick these 2. And then that will be it. So long as a number appears in all those numbers that so long as a factor appears in all those numbers that you want to get their GCD, you pick one representative. So we have taken this because there's a 2 which appears here and here and here. So we pick 1, 2, one of these 2s to represent this group, and then we pick another one and another one here. So we shall say the GCD is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, and that is equal to 8.